How to delete all your contacts on iPhone on iOS 26 at once. First, tap on this dollar button, then tap on contact to know where you normally saved your contact. You can say, guys, in total I have 775 contacts and saved into location on iCloud as well as my Gmail. Now, to delete this contact is very simple. Go to the settings button, tap on it. Once you tap on settings button, scroll down to the base of this place, tap on apps. Under apps, then go and type in contact or you locate contact app on the list. Tap on contact. Once you tap on contact, it comes up like this. You have this option here that says contact, and here you have two accounts. Tap on it. The first one here is on my iCloud. Tap on it. Tap on this button to toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, guys, this will remove your contact from from your iPhone. The next one is to go to your email with your Gmail address. Tap on it again. Tap on this button again to toggle it off. Once you do that, guys, you'll be able to remove contact or delete all your contact on your iPhone at once. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.